Greetings YouTube. Today I'd like to do a quick one. This is about a device called a DrillBlock. You could probably read that. From the company Milescraft. Now I picked this up at Home Depot, I think, for like, I think at the time $8. I have no idea what they're going for now. And it's a pretty simple concept. It is a block that has a V channel here, and that lets you have hardened sleeves for different drill sizes, so you can drill holes square to the surface, either whether the surface is flat or, in this case, this is a piece of tubing. It isn't even a piece of tubing that's perfectly round. This is actually not round. This is a piece of salvage that I am turning into a material rack when I'm done. And I wanted to show you because I just finished drilling this hole that goes all the way through here. So I drilled the top hole, and then I put this in place, made sure it was as straight as I wanted to, because you make sure it's not catawampy, that kind of thing. Catawampus, sorry. Side-goggling, it's not a good way. It's a good way of saying it. Come in like this, and it does a really nice, simple job. It's this, sometimes, you don't want to over-explain a plate of beans. This is what it is. It's nice, simple, it's light. This is something you can throw into your tool bag or your toolbox. So if you find yourself someplace where you needed to have a square hole, whether it's a piece of flat stock, you just want to make sure you're going to be drilling a hole properly, say just in a deck or something, because it's important for that moment. You want to make sure it's straight. This is what you're going to use, and as you can see here, I clamped this thing to a piece of tubing and drilled a hole lickety-split, and I'm really happy with this thing. I use it fairly frequently, even though I have a drill press. This is a big piece of steel. It's big and it's awkward. So this is not the kind of thing that I really want to be trying to set up in a drill press with my V-block, because I have a nice aluminum V-block for drilling tubing, but this is not the piece of material you want to be drilling with a V-block in a drill press. Even if you have like a stand like this to help you support the object, this is much more stable. I've got this thing laying flat on a bench. Got this into a Miller's Falls V-line clamp. Get yourself one of these, or the copy that Craftsman made. Indispensable for me. Clamped here, rock solid. Drill the hole. Bob's your uncle. It's all done. So this is just a good piece of kit. It's not expensive. This is the kind of thing that any DIY person really needs to have, because you can take this with you and you can drill things that are stationary. If you need to drill a piece of tubing that is stationary somewhere, you can do this without a problem. And if you don't have a drill press, this in the combination with a decent drill, corded or cordless, is going to make your life a lot easier. It's going to increase the degree of accuracy and increase the number of projects you can accomplish. And for a tenner, that's a great piece of gear. So this has been the DrillBlock from Milescraft, a tool that I love and I highly recommend.